Hey everyone, welcome to Artyshils Art Academy and welcome to this brand new class with me, your host Shilpa Lalit. So in this class, we are going to be learning how to paint this beautiful Buddha painting with these really pretty flowy fishes floating around Buddha and the Buddha calmingly meditating right there in the center. Along with being extremely beautiful, this painting is also packed with a lot of new acrylic painting techniques, a lot of amazing twists and turns, and a really fascinating process which I'm really excited to take you through so that you can not only paint this painting with me, but you are also able to use this process, these techniques, to be able to paint your own painting as well. And not only this painting we'll be painting in this painting, but we will also be painting one more beautiful purple Buddha painting which I have added as a bonus painting tutorial along with this painting, and it is also a challenge. There's a little challenge also in it, and what that is, how the process of that painting is, that also you will get to see in this class. So there's a lot that we'll get to learn, a lot that we'll get to play with. So if you are getting started with this class, then your excitement should be sky high because this one is definitely going to keep you on your toes. So what exactly is this class going to look like? So in this class, we will get started by first knowing the materials, the paints that we are using, the brushes that we are using, and then I will take you through a very detailed video explaining you all the techniques that we'll be using in this painting, and then I will also teach you the basics of the face drawing, and those basics we will further use to draw the final drawing on the canvas. Once we are ready with the final drawing on the canvas, we will go through a step-by-step very detailed process where I will share with you how this painting is being painted using the techniques that we learned earlier in this class, and with all the lessons that we learned while painting the Buddha, painting the fishes, painting the beautiful lotus, and how we use the entire techniques to bring that painting to life. We will use all the knowledge to create this second beautiful Buddha painting, which will show you that how you can use the same techniques to create your own original art as well. And all through while you're working on this class, you are never ever alone, as I am always and always there to help you, guide you, motivate you, answer your questions. So you can always email me, DM me on Instagram, and I'm always there to get back to you with the answers and with the support you need. And with so much detailed explanation and with my personal guidance and support, this class becomes completely beginner friendly. I make sure to take you through the entire process step by step so that you are able to paint this painting step by step with me. So if you're an absolute beginner, you will need more practice with the techniques and the basics part. But if you are not an absolute beginner and you already paint, then as well this painting will share with you a lot of new learnings, techniques, and the process is absolutely going to fascinate you because the end result is going to be beautiful, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So now that you know the technical aspects of this painting and what we are going to learn, let's understand the thought process that I had behind this painting. Like what exactly I was trying to portray, what exactly I was trying to share, because every painting has a message or every painting has a story, and painting is a beautiful form to tell your story. So I want to share this part, the message part, so that when you also want to express something through your paintings, you are able to do that. So the name of this painting is Find Your Inner Voice, Find Your Peace, Find Your Joy. When you are going through your day at any time, just say I am joy, I am peace. Say it a number of times in a day. Say it often and slowly, emphasizing on each and every word separately. I am joy, I am peace. Feel the vibrations of the words as you slowly say them, and try and feel that feeling of joy and peace within you. Feel that you are in that joyful, peaceful moment, even when things are a chaos around you. Feel the joy and peace pushing away any kind of negativity your mind might be driving towards. Feel yourself surrounded by that light that you deserve to be surrounded with. Hug yourself and tell yourself, I am joy, I am peace. Feel that joy, feel that peace inside you more than you react to outside circumstances, and you will change the outside circumstances. Joy and peace attract joy and peace. So over here you can see the fishes that are surrounding this beautiful Buddha. those are the joy and peace, because Buddha over there is in that meditative zone where he is with himself no matter what is happening around in his surroundings. He is holding on to his joy and peace, and that is in turn attracting towards him the joy and peace that you see around him. So that is what I tried to portray through this painting. I in my life absolutely love the teachings of Buddha. I in my life love the quotes of Buddha, because we in our day-to-day life struggle with our life, with living, with understanding life. But these quotes, these sayings, these beautiful teachings by Buddha really guide us in that way or in that direction, that take us towards that tiny bit of enlightenment that we can get to make our lives a little bit more better and easier to live, right? So that is what I feel, and that is why I create these Buddha paintings, as these help me also a lot. And I really hope that painting this painting, going through this entire process and feeling the energy and vibrations of this painting, you will feel the same and you will also love creating this with me. And once again, before I leave, I would like to share over here that if you have any questions while working on this painting, or if you have anything that you want to talk to me about, if you want to share with me the techniques, or if you want to share with me the process or even the drawing, you are always welcome to share it with me. I will be more than happy to check it out. You can always share it on the community page of our academy, or you can also share it at our private Facebook group. And of course, I will also definitely be looking forward to checking out your final complete recreations as well. Not only the main Buddha painting, but the challenge Buddha painting as well. So with that being said, I'm super excited to take you through the entire process with me, and I will see you there in the next part of the class. So till then, bye and happy creating. Bye.